भारत के 51वें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म फेस्टिवल का समापन समारोह है।
नमस्कार एंड गुड आफ्टरनून लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हम आपके पास लाइव आ रहे हैं पैंजम गोवा से। वी आर एट द 51st IFFI closing ceremony at the red carpet where all the action is happening, and we are about to be talking to a lot of dignitaries, a lot of the cast and crew of the films that were screened here at IFFI, at the 51st IFFI.
And the audience reactions we got and all the hospitality and everything, this is really amazing. And I was here with my team, Kaustubh, Shilpa and Anu, and we all had amazing time here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the red carpet, and I have with me the team behind the 14th February and beyond. This film has actually traveled to 10 countries and is back here in India now at IFFI Goa. I have with me the director Utpal Talal. Utpal, and your team as well. There's the cinematographer Kaustubh. Kaustubh, you can say hi to everyone on camera. We have the cast, Shilpa.
Hi.
And Anup as well is here. So that's the team. Tell me something, Utpal. What has it been like? You've been to 10 countries. You're back here at IFFI. How do you feel?
Yeah, it is actually amazing, and thank you for the lovely introduction to me and for my team. It is absolute an honor to bring the film back to India, because already the film was premiered in January, but the pandemic happened.
Yes.
And it pushed everybody apart. But the all credit to IFFI, they have brought us again together in terms of this wonderful festival, and I got the opportunity to represent my film here, and we had an overwhelming screening. It was very heartening, and it has been really amazing, to bring this film here, the 14th February and beyond. It explores Valentine's Day in many aspects, and everybody loved the film, and we loved to be here at IFFI. It is just been, amazing actually.
Well, it's fantastic having you all here in spite of the pandemic. You mentioned that. And what is your take on this, the hybrid festival that was introduced? It's first for IFFI. What is your take on that?
So it is a wonderful thing, because it makes you prepared for such situation where we can do more of such things. But there is one challenge that is bringing people,
Yeah.
creating interest for the hybrid format.
Yes.
So that would be a challenge, and I guess if collectively we all come together, the filmmakers and the organizers, maybe we can pull out something really amazing in hybrid format as well.
Well, lovely talking to you all, and great having you all at IFFI. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy the closing ceremony. Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the team behind the 14th February and beyond. Very shortly, we have with us Biswajit Chatterjee. He's won the award for the Indian Personality of the Year. He's going to be on the red carpet with us very shortly.
So I'm grateful to Government of India and the IB Ministry. So they offered me this prestigious award in 2021.
So, ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome back to all of you from the red carpet here at IFFI. We have joining us right now the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. We are honored to have him with us because he has been the driving force behind IFFI and behind making sure that we could have IFFI this year in spite of the COVID pandemic. All the precautions were taken and all the systems were in place to ensure that everyone was absolutely safe. Hello, sir. So we are honored to have you with us. Sir, what is your thoughts on IFFI happening in spite of the pandemic and the hybrid IFFI that we introduced? What do you have to say on that,
First of all, I congratulate both the team, ESG and DFF, for the good organization of the IFFI for the last 9 days. There is a very festive season in the state of Goa.
We have the Governor of Goa joining us right now as well, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for today. She is an admirable performer and an actress who has worked in television and films for more than 2 decades. She is the first Indian TV actress to be present at the International Emmy Awards in New York City. She served on the jury of the first International Emmy Awards to be held in India in 2005. Please put your hands together for the very lovely Simone Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen and gathered dignitaries, a very good evening to you all. It is an absolute pleasure to be here. We are here to conclude the remarkable and truly phenomenal 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI. Same as every year, this year too, IFFI has celebrated some of the finest cinematic works and showcased a bouquet of the best films from India and around the world. What makes this a super achievement this year is that this has been done during extremely challenging circumstances. This has beaten the virus with its spirit and strong will. It is definitely a very special occasion for each of us.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं अमिताभ बच्चन। पिछले तकरीबन एक साल दुनिया उस दौर से गुजरी जिसे शायद ही कोई भूल पाएगा। कोविड के चलते जहां दुनिया रुक सी गई थी, सभी बड़े बड़े कार्यक्रम रद्द हो गए थे, वहां वो सब कार्यक्रम वर्चुअली आयोजित किए जा रहे थे। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि कब स्थिति नॉर्मल होगी और कब आप सबसे मिलने का मुझे अवसर प्राप्त होगा। लेकिन देखिए, ये सब तभी संभव हुआ जब हमारी सरकार ने इफ़ी को आयोजित करने का निर्णय लिया। चुनौतियों को सफलताओं में बदलना हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी हमेशा कहते आए, और देखिए इफ़ी इसका बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण बन गया। इस बार इसका आयोजन हाइब्रिड फॉर्म में हुआ, यानी आप गोवा पहुंचकर अगर इसमें शामिल नहीं हो पाए तो आप वर्चुअली इसके साथ जुड़ सकते। ऐसे वक्त में जब हम सभी डर कर अपने अपने घर पर बैठे हुए थे, इफ़ी के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने इसकी तैयारी की और दुनिया भर का बेहतरीन सिनेमा हमारे लिए उन्होंने पेश किया। जैसे कि मुझे मालूम है कि इस बार 60 देशों की फिल्में इस फेस्टिवल में आईं और सबसे बड़ा आकर्षण बनी देश भर से विभिन्न भाषाओं में इंडियन पैनोरामा में चयनित फिल्में।
प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ है।
पाटू पाडवा पाटू केसवा पाडम सोल्लवा परंद सेल्लवा।
छूटे या ना छूटे मुझसे रंग तेरा डोलना, एक तेरे बाजों दूजा मेरा कोई मोलना।
We began a journey a couple of months ago with a sense of apprehension as to whether we would be able to do IFFI in the light of the pandemic. We were not very sure, but today I stand in front of you to duly acknowledge the captain of my ship, Mr. Prakash Javadekar. The gentleman who always believed in our abilities to do things the way he envisaged. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for him, please. Whenever we had our meetings, Honorable Minister said, yes we can, tayari karo, dekhenge kya hota hai. So that is the spirit with which we move forward. I would be failing in my duties and responsibilities if I do not thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir. Sir, you were the Rock of Gibraltar at Goa. You kept us going. Whenever we had the steering committee meetings, you always said, मैं तैयार हूँ, आप जब करना चाहें करें. That was a kind of an enthusiasm you gave us. I remember 2 meetings, sir. You always said, हम तैयार हैं. And we were wondering, how is sir saying this? I used to talk to the CEO, ESG. He said, नहीं, Chief Minister ने कहा है, हमको करना है. People were backtracking. Festivals were closing down. When we said if he will be postponed, Honorable Minister said kabhi nahi postpone karenge. But when it was postponed for the first time in the traditional line of 20th to 28th of November, both Honorable Chief Minister and my Minister Prakash sir said 16 to 24 January is our date. Tayari karo. So that is the spirit with which we move forward, ladies and gentlemen. And I think, thanks to everyone's blessing, I stand in front of you today at the verge of the closure of the 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India.